Hello. I am Cheyenne, a travel social worker, and as I was editing this video just now, I realized I didn't make an intro or didn't do any of that, so I kind of did things a little different this time. So actually, this is like part one to my trip to the motherland, to Africa, and I had a 10-hour layover in Portugal. So I took a couple of clips, and something unusual happened, which I've never experienced in another country before. So that was kind of scary, but Portugal is beautiful, and I definitely want to go back. So take a look at this video and stay tuned. A little bit of what Portugal was like navigating that area. It was really easy actually, so shout out to Sabelle. She actually used to live in Portugal and now moved to the US, and that's shout out to my sister-in-law. But no, she made it really easy. The train was really easy, transporting from the airport down to the city and down to Rua Augusta. Was really nice, and going to the shops, going to the cafes, some of the restaurants were really pretty. So it was a good easy transition and an easy way back to the airport. So I'll definitely put some videos up so you guys can see what that looks like as well. Okay. Coming off. Do a. We are in Portugal.
Yeah, it's really light.
So we are in Portugal. It's Thursday and it's 2:22. Wow. So upon arriving, there was a madman that was saying something in Portuguese, and I had no idea what he was saying, but it really scared me and Cheyenne. But we're excited to go to the motherland. We're not gonna let it taint our experience. We've solo traveled before, and we both discussed how we have never experienced anything like that, but it just kind of reminded us that we need to be on our P's and Q's. But yeah, we just need to be on our P's and Q's because there's madmen everywhere, and you just don't know what intentions people have. We're also getting super crazy stares. This window is clear over here, and people just like, of course they're not doing it now, but people just keep looking at us
like this.
as if, wait, it might be illegal. I almost got arrested for recording people in the Middle East, so.
Maybe we shouldn't.
Yeah, you saw how he was like.
Maybe we should not do that, actually.
Yeah, let's not do that. But yeah, I'm so happy I'm here with my girl. I was, hoping if that man tried to attack me, she was gonna be TTG and knock him upside the head with her drone case.
Oh no, I was ready. I was ready. I was ready. I was ready.
The GoPro and just.
I was ready like this.
Right.
So yeah, now we're done with dinner, or no, lunch. Yeah, it's lunch. Yes.
Basically,
we're done with lunch, and we're gonna go walk around for a minute and go to the train.
This side. Okay. Little souvenir.
Hey, we're on the newspaper.
Oh, this is cute. It's so cute, right? I'm like, at least we have something. I'm gonna frame this.
This is cute.
Frame this for show.